Hello, Kimra Hashiv and Jewish Misha Joseph and an Alaba and Paslich. Hamir son Bruyen mu yin nulikan Jew. I want to talk about Christmas today. Hamir son Bruyen mu ye nolik and Jew. Now, you're going to be hearing some different variations of this verb to speak. Okay, because I've heard Brian as well as Bruyan and somewhere in between. Okay, so you hear some variations there. Um, uh, this picture, okay, is not Paisley. Would be nice if it was. Chaniel Paslich. I'll just move a little bit further down. Okay, so this is something I've written so that you can learn some words about Christmas. Hannah Srajan. Now, you've seen some of these words before, I'm sure. Ha, you know. Na is a plural that's sometimes used. Hannah Strajan, plural of streets. Remember, when I was doing the exam, I was saying carriage and karstjen. Okay, so jin is a plural. Okay, so Sraj Saki Hall, for example, Saki Hall Street, and Hannah Strajan is literally streets. So I'm saying here Hannah Strajan, and the next part, which is, you can see the pronunciation here, Lanjahalish, full of lights. Hannah Strajan, Lanjahalish. Okay, and then I'm saying here as well, bright and colourful. Hollier is, and we've got Dahach. The H actually, as you can see there, Dach, Dach. Bright and colourful. Now, I have to say, I usually use the word agis for and, but when two things go together, like salt and pepper, bright and colourful, you sometimes see is. The word for tree, we have here hakriven. Now, if you listen to the woman on that Learn Gaelic dictionary, okay, there's some variations of this. I mean, she doesn't tell us that, but you hear people, some people say kriv for tree, other people say kriv, or kriv, or somewhere in between, kriv. So something for you to watch out for. I'm going to go with the kriv and the plural kruven, mora nolika. Now this has an E at the end, which it didn't have in my introduction at the top. And I think I can't get back up there. There we are. Yeah, there's no E up there. This is a genitive case thing. I don't like going over grammar, so I'm just going to say that it changes sometimes. Nulika. Have fun, Nulika. There's a Christmas tune. The Chluntin, to be heard. The Chluntin. Ans Gach Atcha. Now, I had problems with this in my exam, as you know. It just means place. So in every place, Ans Gach Atcha. Okay, so let's just try to read my little text together. There we are. Hannes Rajan, Lanja Hulish, Hollier is Dach, Ha Kruven Mor, Nolika, Le Bobelan Glansach. Okay, with shiny baubles. Okay, it's the next part. Okay, Agis Rolton, Now you see there's a Y there, so it's more of a Rialton. Rialton. You say it fast, I don't think it really gets picked up. You know here, this D is always a J sound. Jarsach. Jarsach. So we've got agus, which as you know is and, Rialton Jarsach. Okay. Hafon Nolika. There is a Christmas tune. The Chluntin to be heard. Ans Gach Acha. Okay, so the pronunciation guide is there. The only thing you need to be careful of, okay, is the word for speaking, Bruyin, sometimes Brian or Brian, and the word for tree as well. Cruven can be Kriven sometimes, as far as I can hear. There we are. So let's just go through this. I'll just unhighlight this to make it consistent. Okay, so you can see the words here if you want to read with me. Hannes Rajan, Anja Hulish, Hulier is Daach, Hakruven Mor a Nolika, Le Bobalan Glansach. And you know that's baubles. I mean, you recognize that, I think. Agus Rialton Jarsach, Hafon Nolika, Ri Chluntin, and Gach Atcha. And there we are. So lovely, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this. And I'll try to do some more in the coming days. Right, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this, and let's talk soon. See you. Bye.